Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to forward or send ads on the DoneDeal application to your friends. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on one of the items that you want to forward. So here is this ad, and tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen, this save forward button, and here you can choose from a bunch of options such as airdrop, so you can send it via airdrop. You can also forward it via your messages, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, Gmail, and other social networking sites are also available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.